well, we made it, and this is where we're gonna be staying the next 3 days, in this cabin. We're gonna be doing 3 days staying at this cabin. I'm gonna be doing a lot of kayak fishing, but way out there's this island, and I'm gonna be fishing in my kayak for some walleyes. Hopefully keep some, but it's windy. It's supposed to be windy all 3 days, and it's pretty breezy white cap, so I'll get you guys when we got to unload and everything, and I'll give you a tour of the camp or the cabin, and then load my kayak up and head out. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a cool little episode of all 3 days. So I'm gonna go over to this cove out of the wind. I cannot risk going out there where it's windy. Maybe if it goes down tonight, but I just can't do that. This is all my stuff I really own and cannot flip. So I'm just gonna go over to this cove out of the wind. I gotta fix that. So I'm gonna stop right here. Oh, there's some fish here. I don't know what they are. There's some fish. Get the anchor dropped. Got this new anchor. See how it works. This for a little. I'm gonna start off with this, I guess. A little jig, green jig, and a pink plastic. Just throw this around. I know I can catch some bass by doing this, but I really want to catch some crappie back there. That's all I need. This is definitely feel way more safer back here. I got one. Oh my gosh, first cast. Are you kidding me? I was letting it sink. What the? Oh my gosh. Oh, he's got me in a tree. Get out, get out. Are you kidding me? Get out of that tree. First cast. Might just be a tree, I don't know. Might be a fish. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. Nice walleye. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I thought it was a snake. Oh my gosh. Nice walleye. First cast on the pink jig. Oh my gosh. Let's stinking go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, on that pink jig, first cast, just let it sit. Oh my gosh, that's a perfect under, I think. No, he might be a slug, so I didn't mind bother. I'll fish over here. Oh my gosh, they might sit in the trees. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's stupid. That's a 16-incher. So they have to be under 15 or over 18. So, oh, there's my dad in line. I wonder if I can hold this up. Oh, wonder what he is. Yeah, he's 17 inches. That's not a keeper, but first cast, take that any day. I want him to look over here. Oh. Nice. Look at that. Oh, my first cast. Thought I was snake. Let that sucker go. It's big. It's really big, whatever it is. I got something real big on. Oh my goodness. Stay hooked, stay hooked, stay hooked. Oh, please be a walleye. Please be a walleye. Please be a stinking walleye. Oh, it's a walleye. It's a walleye. That's an over. That's easily an over. Come on, get over here. Yes! Oh! Yeah! That is what I'm talking about. That is a nice walleye. Look at that sucker. Woo! What a fish! That's an over. So they have to be over 18, and he crushed it. That's easily an over. My dad just left. Oh, come on, be an over, be an over. Oh, I can do this out of the wind all 3 days because it's supposed to blow the same direction. Woo! I am stoked on catching fish. I'm like, yeah, I'll go over here and catch some bass. Oh, this is a healthy fish. Yep. Mouth closed, 18.5 incher. That's dinner. That is some dinner. Oh, I hope my dad don't catch any, and then he comes over here and is like, what? Okay, I need my stringer. Lose my line. Catching fish right here by the boat dock out of the beach. This is so nice over here. Oh, that is a healthy fish. Oh man, I don't want no boats to see me. Oh my goodness, what a fish. Fish number 1 on the stringer. Yeah, buddy. 18 incher. Look at that sucker. Holy cows. So I can, hopefully I can get some little ones over here like unders. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in a little to the weeds and try that. Maybe they're in theirs too. And then maybe go back out. That's where I had the first ones way out there. That's 17.5. And then maybe put it on the corner where it's out of the wind. But okay, so it's 6 foot here. I'm just gonna go up the middle of these 2 sides of rushes and throw both rushes or trees, whatever you want to call them. I know I'm gonna catch a bass here for sure, but we've caught a lot of walleye in places that I would say there's bass, so it's worth a try up here. And I didn't even think they'd be up in 7 foot, so oh, there's crappie or something here. It's a good one. This is a good one. Love that point. Sweet! Bunch of smallmouth though. I knew I'd catch one eventually. Nice smallmouth. Ain't eating him today. There he goes. Cool. Big fish on the jig and the crawler. Big fish. Jig and the crawler. Well, I've already got my over, so I can't keep this one. Nice. On the jig. Please land this fish, God. Oh, please be a walleye. I just want to see that walleye. Oh, they're out here jigging the crawler. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! Right by the cabin. I gotta keep it down. Oh my goodness. The last 2 walleyes I've caught are close to 20 inches. Wow, was that a fun day of kayak fishing. Never thought I'd do that good, but I missed a really good one on camera. 22 plus, I bet, incher. But we got a fire going and we got steaks on the grill for tonight. I'm excited for them. But off these rocks, I bet you I can just throw a jig and crawler or a jig and twister. I'm gonna catch some fish tonight, I bet. I'm gonna put you guys on a chesty and start doing some fishing. Well, we got our, oh yeah, and our fire did take off. Perfect. Fire took off, start that. Then we got some steaks. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of this cabin. So there's this little patio, a deck with a picnic table, and then inside you got a table, a bench, microwave, and a little table over here. And there's bunk beds. This bunk bed on the bottom is the biggest, and then top. Then I'm up there, all my camera stuff and everything. And then my sister's down here. But yeah, I'm gonna go start doing some fishing out there. It'd be cool if we can get us a couple. Grab the chesty. Man, the first cast I had this pink jig on, or pink, a green jig and a pink twister. First cast, 17.5 incher. Got that all on camera. That was so cool. But hopefully I can go catch some fish right now. Stay tuned. So I don't know if you guys can see them weeds sticking out. Right out somewhere up there. I don't know, but there's some weeds out there from that island, but that's where I want to fish there in the morning because it's supposed to be calmer in the morning. So hopefully I'm able to get out there if it allows the wind not to blow. And if the wind doesn't blow, then I'm gonna go out there. And I think if I bottom bounce, I can get my unders. And then, I don't know, maybe get an over out there. I can try jig and twister, jig and crawler. I'm definitely gonna do some bottom bouncing out there while it's calm in the morning. I don't know about calm, but maybe breeze. And then if it does pick up, then I got a spot that I know there's fish over there. I was just literally, the boat docks right there. And then I'm on the other side of the boat dock in that little cove, out of the wind. And banging some big walleyes. Steaks have about 4 more minutes left. So excited to eat some steak. Well, day 2, it's windy. Just woke up, ate some breakfast. Oh, it's nice waking up with the water, but the island, it's really windy out there. I can't go fish that today. I'm not losing all my stuff, but so I got some waypoints from yesterday, so now I can just go to them spots. But I got my tie on a bottom bouncer, so over there's an area where there's not that many trees, so I'm gonna bottom bounce that. I bet I'll get snagged a bunch and get frustrated, and then I'll go to a jig and plastic or a jig and crawler. But that's the plan for today. I'm gonna head over there. Hopefully we can get our unders. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get an over today, but we're just trying to find them unders. So hopefully I can catch some fish. Stay tuned. See you when we get on the water. Day 2. We're out here. A bit cooler today. So my first waypoint that I was pitching yesterday was over there. And I'm already getting the fish. So I'm going to throw them a little and then jig with the jig and crawler. I'm going to start out with fish down there in the bottom. I'm going to start out with this blue and green jig with the gray and red and blue. We'll start with that. Tail. And, oh, there's a fish. It might have to be a jig and a 9 pound. fishing isn't good in my kayak, so me and my dad are gonna go out and try to get for some walleyes. They did good, so I know we'll catch some. I just need some fish to catch. Got one. Feels small. Ooh. Yeah. That's a slot. Yeah, players. Fish. Triple. There's one down there. My dad's got one and I got one. Oh my. Yeah, why don't you reel that one in? There's his. And mine's way back here. Sheesh. Under? Perfect. No, come on. 3 fish in the boat at once.
Alright, this one let me move.
Ah! Ouch.
Just under 18.
What, you need an under?
Yeah, we can have one more.
This is him right here.
Yeah.
13.5.
Yep, keep him.
Perfect. Snag or fish? Just tripled up. Oh, look at the boat. Nice. Yeah. No, that's a slot.
Perfect number.
Sure?
Watch those rods. Here. I think he's open that box. 14. I think that's all we need. You want to count them?
Hey. Yeah.
6 on this spot. 3.
That one's about to pop out.
Here. You got your camera on?
Yeah.
You didn't see any boats with one guy, did you?
No. Good fish.
Oh my God.
You reel that. Biggin?
I don't know, but hey, get that other one started out.
Probably a drum.
Probably a
I do good with those. Nice one? Yeah, it is. Good. Okay.
17.
What is it? That follow hook a wall?
Before I did that.
Oh,
Oh, I got got that one off too. Wait! Give her a little bit of gas. Oh shit, we're in the jungle. Hey, that's why you don't do that. Oh shit, you're too shallow. That one came off before I did it. That one came off when I did it. Don't need that one. Boy, he's perfect. Oh man. Measure him anyway. That's 13. Watch that line. Your rods aren't doing so hot, huh? Maybe next time. That's 14. Under?
Yeah.
Where's the big one? That's a good under. Oh, this is gonna be close. Just as soon as you said you weren't catching them. It's got way too shallow. Oh, that's nice too.
Yeah?
Here, I'll just put it
That's a good one.
in. Oh, there's one. Yeah.
That fish.
Oh, come on. Hold on, hold on. Is it big? Don't bust that rock tip.
Looks like the hook's in his mouth. There's one.
Good. Oh God, you cannot do that.
I don't know, because that's why you use it
Got that one on film. Nobody's supposed to know that. I sure will. Oh shit, better triple. Oh, that one's gone. Yours come off. What color is that?
That's it for day 2. I just went out and caught like 10 smallmouth on the rocks with hair jigs. Today was not very good in my kayak, really windy. We did get on some fish, really fun cranking in the boat, but that saved my day's worth of vlogging and filming. But so tomorrow it's supposed to be not near as windy and way warmer, so I'm hoping to get out to the island and do some bottom bouncing and jigging a crawler and jigging plastic, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get out there. I don't think it's supposed to be that windy, but I want to do some bottom bouncing. I haven't done that for a long time in my kayak, so that's the plan for tomorrow. That's it for tonight. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow on day 3. I'm gonna show you guys tonight how I catch all these smallmouth on a little hair jig. I caught like 10 just on this little stretch, so we'll start right here. And you want to look for these undercut rocks, that where a rock goes and then cuts under, and then they're hiding under them rocks. These little smallmouth. So that one came out and crushed it right before it even hit the water. Little smallmouth. These things are such a cool, pretty fish. That one crushed it. That last fish, I went to pick it out of the water and he hit it. Not along this one. And he kind of swam over here, I think. Oh yeah. They usually come back for it. We got him. Got him that time. It's a good one. Dude, that one's black. He's been living under a rock his entire life. He's darker. Yep, I think that's the one that hit me on the surface, I'm pretty sure. Got it. Oh, that is a dark one. Holy cows. That's a really dark one. That is the smallest smallmouth I've caught yet. Sheesh. He gone. Welcome back to day 3. No more white caps, and it is nice out. Nice little breeze to keep the gnats away, and so I can drift with it. But out there's the island. I only see the little weeds sticking out, but I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna do some bottom bouncing, a lot of bottom bouncing, and some crawlers. Try to find these fish. Hopefully I can find them. And if I mark a bunch and they're not eating the bottom bouncer, I'll have to go to jigging a night crawler and jigging a twister, cast, and do all that stuff out there. And if no good, I might go try my little corner over there where I have been fishing the last 2 days. So hopefully, I bet I'll be able to get them on a bottom bouncer. I just go up there a ways and then drift back down with that little breeze. I'll probably be able to go like 7.7 or something, almost a mile an hour. So hopefully we can do that. Stay tuned. I'm ready to hopefully go catch some fish. Oh, that's water's cold. Oh god. That's nice and cold. Okay, let's go catch some fish. Sadly, I couldn't get out there the last 2 days, so I don't have any waypoints, so I'm just gonna have to go find these fish. Probably gonna fish around 10 foot of water. Oh, geez. Might need the oars. Left those on shore. Let's go. Might need these. I don't even have them. Oh, there we go. Let's go catch some fish now. Super. Let's go catch do. I'll take this stuff. This is what I was messing with in the calm stuff. This is what it was like. Get that sucker out of there. Pulled it on the tree. Oh, this is beautiful. So I can drift sideways with that one. I'm just gonna go way up. This is amazing. So now what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna drift with this at like almost a mile an hour. Yeah, this is perfect. Just let that bottom bouncer bounce along that spin spin. Oh, there's some good fish down there right now. I'm marking some good fish. Dang. Come on. This is gonna be so fun. Yeah, I caught a 16.5 off camera. My camera turned off. And measured him, and I was gonna turn the camera on and he flopped out, but that was it. And I'm marking a lot of fish though, so I'm gonna go over and try my corner again with some plastics and crawler and stuff like that. That's such a good day over there the first day, but we're just gonna get over there. Got one. Finally. Got a fish. Feels good. Feels really good. Oh, it's a walleye. Oh gosh, I think it's a walleye. Oh, nice walleye. Boom! Finally. That might be at the slot, I think. Finally got him on the bottom bouncer. Barely hooked. Might be an under. Let's see. Hey. 16 inches. First walleye though, on the bottom bouncer. Out here. Sweet. Oh, there's some leaves. Finally got one. That is bigger. Oh, I missed that. Got him. I didn't miss him, I got him. Dude, that's like 10 seconds later. I got this one after that other fish. Literally 10 seconds after I shut the camera off. This might be an under. Dude, this is crazy. I'm getting them out here. Oh, what is this one? Come on. Another slot. Huh? Yeah. Another slot. Sweet. Dude, they're out here stacked. That took about 20 seconds after that last fish. Oh, he raised off the rock. Ooh, might be an under. Got a mess in right here. Alright, so flat. Another 16-incher. Cool. At least we're getting fish. Literally 20 seconds after. I gotta keep the camera on. Then he gets more bait on. Holy cows. I'm like, there's no way that's another fish. So, I'm turning fish, so I should get some keepers out here. Get another piece of crawler on and I might just turn the camera on. Oh, I gotta waypoint that. Walleye, I think. Oh, it's a smallie. A good smallmouth. Oh, it's a really good smallmouth. Get up here. Oh, jeez. That's hard. That's small. It's big. See ya. Oh yeah, I need to get situated. I need to go out. Oh, that was my third fish that came out right there at the pond. I broke it off. I'm gonna drop my ankle. Oh, that was my third fish. Through these weeds that I've had on. So I gotta get retired. Well, we made it back. Fun trip. I'm really excited because in like a month we have another trip like this that's coming up at another cabin, but the water's literally like right next to the cabin at this lake. So, and I can do some bass fishing there. I know I can catch some big largemouth and smallmouth, but that'd be it's gonna be a cool video. Fun trip. Really glad that I found that corner out of the wind, or I wouldn't have caught any fish probably out there because I wouldn't have been able to fish out there by that island because it would have been so windy the first 2 days. It was a really fun trip. Kayak worked good. Everything worked good. I didn't lose much tackle. I only lost like a bottom mounter or so, but fun trip. Hopefully we'll get out and do a few more things like these. These videos are fun to make and I enjoy doing them. But if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.